My fellow Singaporeans, as GE 2025 approaches, we face critical choices about the Singapore we wish to create for future generations. This election is not just about politics, it is about purpose, hope, and a collective commitment to progress. The SOP manifesto lays out a vision for tomorrow, a Singapore that balances innovation with sustainability, compassion with ambition, and inclusivity with excellence. Our policies champion affordable housing, equitable education, and accessible healthcare, values that anchor a thriving society. To achieve this vision, we must unite. Together, we can reimagine education to uplift the next generation, empower our workforce to seize opportunities, and foster a sense of belonging for all. This is our moment to rise above challenges and create a legacy of hope and possibility. I invite you to join me in shaping a Singapore that is resilient, inclusive, and forward-looking. Together, we can turn aspirations into reality. Thank you, and may we continue to stand as a beacon of unity and progress. Vote for me, Noraini binti Yunus. Vote for Singapore United Party, SUP. Moving forward together.